You are seeing something which is fantabulous. Yes, we are right now at the South City Mall, the HDFC Bank Accelerate Auto Expo, the largest auto expo, I would say, in the country, with the best of cars. You know, lots of excitement. And right now, this is Jimmy from South City reporting absolutely live on the Facebook page of 91.9 Friends FM. With me, I've got an amazing gentleman. You know, I would say, any successful venture always has to have the captain steering it. And today, I have the gentleman, Mr. Sandeep S. Kumar, branch banking head, HDFC Bank East. Sir, a warm welcome to you on 91.9 Friends FM Facebook Live. Sir, this beautiful auto expo HDFC Bank has organized, Auto Expo Accelerate, the best of cars, easy finance, amazing loans. मुझे भी देख के हैरान हो गया कि इतना सस्ता कैसे हो सकता है. What would you like to say to the world, to Calcutta, to India?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and good afternoon to you as well. So we are here, to start largest auto expo in Calcutta, and people of Calcutta love cars, love driving. So all the cars, all the top brands, manufacturers are here under one roof. You can see.
Yes, we have the Audi behind us.
Yeah, you have Audi, you have Kia Carnival.
Sir, let's go for a walk. And बात करते करते हम लोग the excellent display of cars out here.
My pleasure.
Right beside us now you see the Kia car.
You can see the Kia. You can see the newly launched Cetron.
We have the newly launched Cetron in front of us, which was just inaugurated exclusively and specially for the Accelerate Auto Expo.
Absolutely. You can see, some of exciting electric cars as well. And very importantly, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, very importantly, you can see the top of cars. There is something, written 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me explain. All of you, as you are aware, that HDFC Bank leads the market when it comes to car financing and so many other banking products as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4 per lakh. So we.
Sir, एक question पूछना है.
Yeah, please.
How do you manage it? When I saw this 1, 2, 3, 4 per lakh, anybody can afford to buy even the best car. How do you all manage it?
See, that's the capability and capacity of HDFC Bank Limited, and that is why HDFC Bank is market leader over years in car financing, and even today, and I'm sure it is going to be continued. And very importantly, we will provide customized car finance solution to people of Calcutta, people of India. So you decide car, we will help you to customize financing.
Absolutely.
As per your need.
And people can come to the Auto Expo right here in the South City Mall, and as you said, they can actually drive away with their car, literally.
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, that you decide car of your choice. We will help you in financing, on the spot financing, with exciting offers right now in this mall.
And Calcutta, you can see cars all across right here. And with me, of course, I've got the honcho, Mr. Kumar, talking to us. Sir, आपके हिसाब से, as per you, what is the USP of this amazing, HDFC Bank Auto Accelerate Expo?
See, as I mentioned, the USP is very simple. You have different cars, different manufacturers, different models under one roof, and we have customized finance solution. By the time you have your lunch, maybe you can walk out your car after the moment you
I think this is the first of its kind I've seen in the country.
It's a unique concept, first of its kind in Calcutta, and you decide car, we will help you in financing, and just walk out with dream car.
So, sir,
make your spouses, friends, children, parents happy about that.
What would you say Kolkata would expect? Because it's the start today. आज भी हो रहा है, कल भी हो रहा है. And you have the best cars across. A brand new launch which yet hasn't been launched of the Citron car which was launched today. So, sir, कलकत्ता को आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
मैं कलकत्ता को ये बोलना चाहता हूँ. Good afternoon, people of Calcutta. You people are very sweet, and as I said, you people love cars. I know that.
So they are very sweet also. Let me tell you why they like Mishti Doi and Rasgulla.
Mystery Doi Rasgulla, world famous. And since I am residing Calcutta, so people of Calcutta just lovely people. So please come. My appeal is please come to this magnificent auto expo.
You're already getting messages. Excellent Auto Expo by Rano Joy. A lot of people are watching us.
Yeah.
I'm sure they're watching it today, and they are going to be coming to South City Mall to be a part of this amazing car expo.
Yeah, Mr. Joy, if you are here, if you can hear me, so it's warm welcome and exciting to hear from you on our screen right now. So please come over, meet us, talk to car experts, talk to HDFC Bank experts, and we will help you to drive your dream car, Mr. Joy. And everyone listening to us, please come over to South City Mall today and tomorrow to participate in this magnificent auto expo. Select your car, we will help you in financing.
Amazing, and trust me, it's so easy. You walk in and you walk out. It could take just a couple of minutes, but you have to be sure that which car do you want, and every car is here. And right now we are walking towards a most amazing vehicle, ladies and gentlemen. This car, sir, if you can get into the driver's seat.
Yeah.
सर आप बैठिए, मैं उस तरफ से आ रहा हूँ. This is the Porsche, the most amazing vehicle in the world. It is at the HDFC Bank Accelerate Auto Expo. I have Mr. Kumar inside this amazing car. I will be also getting inside. And sir,
Yeah.
from this amazing Porsche car, अभी एकदम क्वाइट हो गया, आवाज भी नहीं आ रहा है, and I would like you to give a message to the world and definitely to all the customers of HDFC Bank plus people who are going to come here for the auto loan.
Hey, HDFC Bank customers and all Kolkata residents, please come over. Please have a look on your dream car. We have, starting from hatchback, going up to this Porsche. We have sedans, we have SUVs, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, citizens of Calcutta. I promise, behalf of HDFC Bank, behalf of team HDFC Bank, that we will help you, support you to get best possible financing, customized financing for you, so that you make yourself, your families, your parents, your children happy with brand new car out of this expo. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar. Yes, that was Mr. Sandeep Kumar, branch banking head, HDFC Bank East, and we are live from the South City Mall, the HDFC Bank Accelerate Auto Car Expo. It's an amazing thing. We are sitting right now in a Porsche. Imagine an auto expo even having a Porsche on display. You get every single car to suit every single budget. You can see the crowds round, and with that, Mr. Kumar, thank you so much. This is Jimmy signing off live from South City Mall, the HDFC Bank Accelerate Auto Expo, the largest of its kind in the country. Be here. It's today and tomorrow at the South City Mall, and trust me, if you come in once, you would not like to move out, because the cars are amazing, the loan facilities are amazing, and the kind of loans offered is to suit your pocket the way you want to pay for it. Thank you, Mr. Kumar, once again, and it was really wonderful talking to you.
Thanks, Jimmy, and thanks, Calcutta.